Hi, it's Vilma, the face behind Renewable Sons, a renewable brand ambassador for Redesign with Prima. And for this DIY, I'm using these small covers that I found in a dollar store here in Canada. These are not real wood, as you can see. So it's like an MDF. These are very, very heavy. So the minute I saw these covers at the store, it came to my mind to place all these four together and use it as an organizer. I'm using Gorilla Good Glue, my favorite adhesive, and using a small brush and put one by one together. Then, with a small screwdriver, I remove all the small pulls. To paint these small covers, I choose several colors from the line Alchemy from Fusion. These are chalk paint, and I mix some of them together and see what happens. So I started to mix like a yellow and green tone, but it was too much for me. The green yellow, it was too much, so I changed to another green, and then I changed to another color because it was too much, and I ended it by adding the last two colors. I mix it, so I will let you know in comments which is this last color I added. Then I decided to add a dry brush using one of the green tones, and I just do like vertical and horizontal movements to all of the cupboards on the sides, on the top, on the front. And then I decided to add another layer of dry brush, but using a white tone. So I'm using Casmen for this dry brush, and as you can see, I go once again horizontal, vertical movements, and that's gonna be my dry brush. For this design, I'm using this Maxi transfers. It came in 2 sheets, and it came also with this colors, so hue colors, where you can choose how to paint before applying your transfers. And this is a floral design. It is so beautiful, and the name is Eclat Floral of this Maxi transfers. And all you can do is to rub on your transfers with the wood stick that already came with your transfers. And I'm using also this small knife craft to cut all the transfer and removing all the film from the transfer. And this is the process I did. for my pools, I'm using this black spray paint. To seal, I'm using clear wax from Fusion mineral paint and a wax brush to apply all over my transfer and my paint. Then I will removing all the excess with the Eclat. Now it's time to place all my pools back together on my cardboard, and this will be my last step. And this is how it looks. These small cardboards are all together, and I will be storage all my small craft liquid paints, mica powders, but you can use it for many other things. Let me know in comments if you like. Please give us a like and a follow and subscribe to our channel today, and see you in another flip.